Are you tired of sending resumes and hearing nothing? Here's how to break the cycle and actually get noticed. Right now, I want to talk about one of the biggest frustrations I hear from candidates every week. They're sending out tons of resumes and getting zero responses. Well, first off, you're not alone. Even great candidates get stuck in that cycle. And that cycle is you're hitting submit, you're waiting, and it eventually feels like you're screaming into the abyss. You hear nothing. So let's break down what's really happening, and more importantly, how to change it. The sad reality is most resumes never make it in front of a human being. Between AI filters, the sheer volume, and outdated job board systems and ATSs, your resume could be perfect, and it still never gets seen by the human eye. So the answer isn't sending more resumes. It's about better positioning, being strategic, and being intentional. And what do I mean by that? Lead with connection and some networking, not just resume submission. If you're real serious about getting noticed and having your resume seen, stop relying on the job boards all alone. Find the hiring manager or the decision maker on LinkedIn, or find them on a quick Google search, or you know what, even a quick ChatGPT search. And then write them and send them a message that connects directly to them. For example, "Hi Sarah, I've been following your property's growth since the renovation. I've led similar reopenings, and I wanted to share my background in case you're open to connecting." That message, that was conversational, relevant, and immediately more human than another resume dump or file upload. So what's next? Well, after the intro, bring up your candidacy and ask if the person that you sent the message to is a hiring manager. If they are, share your resume. If they're not, ask for some contact info for whoever is the hiring authority. Next step, use your personal story and not just your skills. Now, when you're describing what you've done, don't just say something like, "I managed F&B." Say something like, "I helped drive the restaurant's revenue by building a stronger internal training program." Employers want to see ownership and outcomes. They don't just want to see bullets that are copy and pasted from a resume. Now, resumes are still important. Keep your resume active, but more importantly, make your presence louder. You can do things like post on LinkedIn, comment on industry topics, or share a quick thought about leadership, retention, or service culture. You'd be surprised how many employers are finding candidates through visibility and not applications. Every time you hit that submit button, imagine you're sending an intro to a person, not a system. Your job is to create curiosity, not overwhelm them with information. I help people in hospitality every day who are stuck in that same place. And the ones who actually break through are the ones who start conversations, not just send resumes. I'm Jeremy Nichols with Gecko Hospitality. I'm Florida's hospitality executive headhunter. And if this video helped you at all, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section below. I hope you enjoy the content on this video, and I'll see you next time.